Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to easily create, share, and join a FaceTime link with others. Apple has recently made changes to FaceTime, allowing other users other than Apple owners to join in on FaceTime calls. This operates very similar to how Zoom and other video communication apps work. To create a FaceTime link, on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, open FaceTime. Now at the top of the home screen, you have the option to either start a new FaceTime call or create a link. Tap Create Link. Next, tap Add Name if you want to give your new link a meeting name. If you want to share out the link through text messages, you can then tap that option here. You can do the same with sending it out through email by choosing Mail. We'll do it manually though through a link. Tap Copy at the bottom. This will then copy the FaceTime link, and you can then head into your email app, start a new email, add the people that you want to send to, put a description or a meeting time, and then paste the link that you copied. When your recipients receive the email, they can then tap the link that you sent them, and they will be taken to the FaceTime meeting where they can easily join in by entering their name with no need to download FaceTime or even be on an Apple device. And that's how you create, share, and join a FaceTime link with others. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.